representation of root 9.3 on number line. First of all, we will draw a line segment of length 9.3 centimeter with help of ruler, and we'll mark it as AB. Means this AB is 9.3 centimeter. Now this AB we will be produced by 1 unit that is point C, where after extending 1 unit we get the point. Now we'll draw a semicircle on AC. For this, firstly we will mark the center of line segment AC by drawing its perpendicular bisector. For this, we'll take arc of the length more than half of AC. We'll mark arcs to get perpendicular bisector of AC. This is perpendicular bisector of AC. Let this be XY. Now this point where perpendicular bisector bisect the AC, let this be point O. Now assuming O as center of circle and OA as radius, draw a semicircle again. At point B, draw a perpendicular to point B, which is perpendicular to AC. Now you can draw perpendicular with help of protractor or compass. We are drawing the perpendicular with help of compass. You all know how to draw 90 degree with help of compass, as you have already learned how to draw 90 degree with help of compass. Now this perpendicular BD, which is perpendicular to AC, intersect the semicircle at point D. Now we'll again extend AC up to some units. Here now B is representing 0. Now assuming B as center of circle, this BD will be equal to root 9.3. You can calculate this by applying Pythagoras theorem. See, if you join OD, it can be calculated by using Pythagoras theorem, that BD is equal to root 9.3. As you can see that this total is 9.3. This is 1 unit AC. AC will be equal to 10.3 centimeter. Now as O is the midpoint of AC, it means OC will be equal to 10.3 upon 2 centimeter. Same way OA will be also equal to 10.3 upon 2 centimeter. So from here you can calculate the values. You can apply here Pythagoras theorem. Firstly you calculate OB. As you know, OA is equal to 10.3 upon 2. You know the value of AB, that is equal to 9.3. AB is known, OA is known. By subtracting OA from AB, you can get OB. If OB is known, and you can see OB is known and OC is also known. OC is equal to 10.3 upon 2. OB is also calculated by the help of this AB minus OA. So you can find the BD by Pythagoras theorem. This will be equal to root 9.3. Now, as after calculating BD root 9.3 by Pythagoras theorem, put the pointer of compass here at point B and tip of pencil at D. Will mark an arc of radius root 9.3. This arc intersects the produced AC at a point. Let this point is E. Then this point will represent, this BE will be equal to root 9.3 unit, and this E is representing root 9.3 on number line. Now once again, let's see how BD is root 9.3. We know that AB is equal to 9.3 centimeter. AC is equal to AB plus BC, that is 9.3 plus 1, 10.3 centimeter. Now OA will be equal to OC, that is half of AC by 2, that is 10.3 upon 2 centimeter. This is value of OA. To calculate OB, we know that OB will be equal to AB minus OA. Here AB is 9.3, OA is 10.3 upon 2. If we calculate it, we can see that it will be 18.6 minus 10.3, that is equal to 8.3 upon 2 centimeter. So OB is 8.3 upon 2 centimeter, and if we see OD is equal to OC. We can see radii of same semicircle. Radii of same semicircle. It means OD will also equal to OC, and OC is half of AC. OD is equal to half of OD is equal to OC, and OC is equal to half of AC. AC by 2, that is 10.3 upon 2. This is value of OD. Now if we apply Pythagoras theorem in right triangle ODB, we can write OD square is equal to OB square plus BD square. OD square is 10.3 upon 2 is equal to OB square, we have calculated right now, 8.3 upon 2 plus BD square. If we calculate, we can see that BD square is equal to 10.3 upon 2 square minus 8.3 upon 2 square. If we apply the identity to calculate this, we'll get, this will be common, 1 by 4, 10.3 minus 8.3, 10.3 plus 8.3 will give us 10.3 minus 8.3, that will be equal to 2, and 10.3 plus 8.3, that will be giving 18.6. If we calculate it, it will be 9.3. Now if BD square is 9.3, it means BD is equal to root 9.3 unit, by equal to root 9.3 unit. That's why we put the pointer of compass at B and tip of pencil at D, and assuming B as center of circle and BD as radius, we draw an arc which cut produced AC at a point, and this point is root 9.3. We name this point as E, so we can say that BE is equal to root 9.3 unit. This way we can draw a square root of any positive real number on the number line. Here we have taken an example of root 9.3.